I'm John Togans. I'm here at SEMA 2022 with my 1990 Nissan Skyline GTR R32. So we have the RB26 twin turbo, all-wheel drive. Not too much done under the hood as far as the block, but we do have the EMS intakes. We have a custom Kakimoto exhaust going all the way back from the downpipes. We're here with Chase & J's cooling panel right here with the radiator stays. Optima battery blessed us with a new battery for the SEMA 2022 this year. Custom 3-piece strut bar under the hood as well. So we're running 93 octane in this car, but here in Las Vegas we do have 91, so wherever I could get a higher octane I will. Last time we measured the power on this car is about 330 to the wheels. So right now, with all the footwork and everything, we have it's sitting on HKS coilovers. We do have ARP extended studs, titanium Chase & J lug nuts on here. I went with a Volk T37V Mark II. This is a step lip rim for front and rear. It's a staggered setup for this vehicle. I'm running an 18 by 10 with a negative 25 in the front. That's with a 285/30 18 tire on the rear. We have a 18 by 12 with a negative 33, and that's with a 315/30 18 tire. So I went with the Pandem Rocket Bunny wide body on the car. I wanted to keep the same OEM color with the KH2 for the Nissan Skyline Gray. Went ahead and protected everything underneath with aluminum splitters on the front and on the sides. Everything is chassis mounted. And we went with the V1.5 front end. And we kept the stock Nismo double wing on the back. Thank you guys for checking out my car today here at SEMA 2022. I want to give a big shout out to Team Hybrid, AMSOIL, Renegade Products, Optima Battery for giving me this chance to be here today. Check me out on Instagram at JohnFlip29, and also you can check me out at the same handle on Throdle app.